Ebony. She hot.
So sometimes part of farm life is teaching your kids to be responsible and collecting eggs, but it also means that occasionally the door gets left open. On our way home from church today, our ring went off. I was like, "Babe, chickens are in the yard." Go that way, go.
Caroline, no.
That way,
Savannah, don't walk through there. There's all that poison ivy.
that way,
Here, chick.
that way.
Got some food.
Come on.
Got some grass.
Lord.
Can I move out of the way?
Luke, get back. Luke, we're gonna try. Now, this look rough.
No, here, chick.
Should we just pick them up?
Come here. Come here.
Just like the goat.
Come here. Come here. Hey, Ebony. She hopped me.
Here, chick.
Get back. Quit. She thinks that you're chasing her.
Here, chick. Stop. What? Go back to the coop.
Caroline, go way out. And get where the green bucket is. There you go. Oh, there is home. Look how fast he's going now. She's like, "There's my house. I lost it." I know it.
Obey the master.
I know. Hey, this is Julie with Dawkins Family Farms, and it is Sunday afternoon. We just got home from church, and we were driving up, and our ring alarm went off. I was like, "Well, who's in the yard?" We're only a couple of blocks away, and sure enough, who was in the yard?
The chicken.
The chickens were in the yard. So part of learning to take care of our livestock, they're doing a great job, but then sometimes gates and doors don't get closed. So life lessons learned. We had to round up the chickens
Again.
again.
Yeah, because remember when we were talking with the chickens and that I was trying to get one and then I ate some.
Oh yeah, well it's not the first time they've been out. And we need to probably start letting them out supervised, but
Yep.
I don't know what they did all morning while we were at church. They were praising Jesus in the yard and eating all the grubs and worms they could find, probably. They probably loved it. Grasshoppers, yes.
Yeah, we need to start doing it.
So,
We probably need to start doing it more often. Let them out and free range a little bit.
but we had one that was killed by a hawk. So
Yeah.
we have predators around here, so it's a little tricky and quite traumatizing to the kids and everybody else when you actually see the hawk take your chicken. So we've been reluctant to do it, and we probably do need to start doing it more. They would enjoy it, as long as they don't get taken. So,
But
anyway.
that's kind of part of having chickens. That's why people have so many chickens, because they can afford to lose a couple. When you just have two, like we do, if you lose one, you lost half your flock. So
We started with 6 because we lived in the neighborhood when we got them.
Yeah.
And that was, I think 5 was the rule, so we kind of bent the rule a little bit. But, you know, life happens, heat happens,
Yeah.
predators happen.
Sometimes chickens just die. I don't know. They probably get parasites or something and just die. But
Yeah.
this had a happy ending.
So we are all back safe in our coop. And then relatively soon we plan on getting some chicks and starting another.
We'll take y'all along on that process too.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
And I've got to build a bigger run on the back here. They just don't have enough space here. This is the chicken coop and run that we had at the old in town. So I haven't really built it up yet. Haven't had time to do it yet, but I might do that this winter. Kind of build a little bit bigger deal here. So
All right, well, happy Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully all of y'all got to spend some time with Jesus.
And learn something about it.
Yeah. And we're gonna enjoy some family time this afternoon and with family, extended family tonight. And we hope you get to do the same.
Bye.